A hippo uses its beak to pull out insects from the holes in the ground or in trees. Broad and flat beak. There are tiny holes on the sides of the broad and flat beak of a duck. The duck takes in muddy water with insects, worms, and water plants. The mud and water flow out through the tiny holes, leaving the plants and insects inside the beak. Strong and chisel shaped beak. Some insect eating birds like the woodpecker have strong chisel shaped beaks. They use their beaks to dig out holes in the tree trunks and pull out insects from the holes. Feet and claws. Birds have 2 feet with claws. They use their claws to catch and eat food, to protect themselves from their enemies, and to move about. Perching birds. Perching birds like sparrows, crows, pigeons, mynas have 3 toes in the front and 1 at the back. The back toe curls around the branch, due to which these birds do not fall off even while sleeping. Swimming birds. Water birds like ducks and geese have webbed feet. They have 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. They have skin growing between their 3 front toes. This skin is called a web, which helps them to push water back while swimming.